Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling SteamGuard for account security because family sharing requires it. Once done, log into your Steam account on the friend's computer. This is the first actionable step. Make sure you trust the machine, otherwise stop and choose a different device. In Settings, navigate to Family, then click to authorize that computer and grant library access. You're now ready to move on to assigning shared libraries, so don't skip device authorization. It prevents access issues later. Next, you authorize specific accounts and libraries so sharing works smoothly. In Steam, go to Settings, then Family, and check the box to authorize library sharing on that computer. Once done, select the friend's account, S, from the list. Steam allows multiple authorized users but limits concurrent play. Make sure to verify each game's sharing status because certain titles use third-party DRM and won't share. Once you've confirmed which games are available, log out and let your friend log into their account to see your shared library. Finally, you should test access to confirm success. Ask your friend to log into their account on the authorized PC and open library. Try launching one shared game to ensure it runs. If they are denied, deauthorize the device in your family settings, then reauthorize and restart Steam. This often solves sync issues. Also remember the key limitation. Only one person can play the same shared title at once, so coordinate play sessions. If problems persist, check SteamGuard status and account trust, then retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.